In this vlog, we will get to know the usage of object keyword in Kotlin programming. So what is an object keyword and why it is used? Can't we skip the usage of object keyword? So to get to know more information on object keyword, let's start our tutorial. So let us consider an example. I am declaring a class ABC, and inside which we are going to create a method function display, and inside which I am going to just provide a print condition. So we are just trying to print a sample message. So now let us try to declare our main method, and from which we try to access the display method which we have declared in the class ABC. So let us create an object for it. So now we have created an object for our class ABC, and using which we can easily call the method display. And now let's try to run the code and check the output once. So here we got the output sample message printed. So now let us see what we are trying to do here. We have just created a class inside which we have a method, and we have created an object for it to access the methods declared inside the class. Not only methods, you can also access the variables which you have declared in the class. So now let us try to get the display method without declaring an object. So how is it possible? Let us see. So instead of class, we'll be declaring it as an object now. So when you have declared it as an object, you can observe here we got an error. Expression ABC cannot be invoked as a function. The function invoke is not found. Why? Because it's no more a class here, so we cannot create an object here. But how can we access the display method is like, you can just remove the object creation from there, and so here instead of ABC you can just directly make use of the class here. And now let us try to run this code once again and try to see whether this works or not. So yes, we again got the same sample message printed onto the screen, but this time our declaration is different. So here instead of class we have provided an object here. So with the help of the object we can directly make use of the class name and call the methods which are declared inside the class. So I think you are going to remember a concept here called singleton. So in Java we used to have a concept called singleton, where we used to create an object once and we used to make use of it multiple times throughout the application. So you might have a question like, what is the use of the object class, or what is the use of a singleton concept? Why? Because in your real-time application you need to make use of the resources properly so as to provide a good user-friendly application, so that it will be much helpful for the user to get their services done without any crash issues or so on. So this makes the user to get through your application much easier and make his work done without experiencing any unwanted crashes. So what's the main importance here is like, we are able to handle the resources properly here. So in our previous way we have declared a variable and we have created an object for our class ABC. So in that particular scenario, let us see here, we have created previously an object in this way. This is also a correct way of declaring an object for our class ABC, but you can also see we can create multiple objects here for the same class ABC here. So both ABC and ABCD will help us to fetch this method display. But again, this is an unwanted redundant usage of resources here. So we'll try to avoid the unwanted usages of resources by restricting it to a single object creation with the help of an object keyword in Kotlin and with the help of a singleton concept in Java. So the main usages are like when you are trying to make a network call and when you are trying to fetch the data from your databases. So you can make use of this singleton concept or object keyword over there just to restrict the unwanted or multiple object creation. So I think you understood what is the importance of object keyword in Kotlin by this example. So I have just considered a simple example just to make you understand the concept, and in our further coming tutorials we will be also seeing more tutorials based on this singleton concept. So yes, this is it for this tutorial, and if you have skipped our previous tutorials on Kotlin, I am providing the link in the description section below. You may go through them, and if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Kotlin.